Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about types of network. Types of networks. A computer network means a group of networked computers. A network can mean a small group of linked computers to a chain of few hundred computers of different types spread across the world. Thus, networks vary in size, complexity and geographical spread. Mostly, the computers are classified on the basis of geographical spread, and on this basis, there are four main types of networks. First one, LAN, Local Area Network. WAN, Wide Area Network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. PAN, Personal Area Network. Local Area Network or LAN. Last class we studied what is a network. What's a network? A group of computers connected together called a network. And if the connected computers are within a limited area, means local area, or within a building, it's called local area network or LAN. It is generally privately owned network over a distance not more than 5 kilometers. For example, a network within school campus or college, etc. comes under local area network. Metropolitan Area Network or MAN. It's a network spread over a city. For example, cable TV networks that are spread over a city can be termed as MAN network or Metropolitan Area Network. The purpose of a MAN is also sharing of hardware and software resources among its users. Look at this picture. Here there are four sets of LAN networks. And using MAN network, we can connect all the four local area networks together. Wide Area Network or WAN. This type of network spread across countries and continents. WANs are generally used to interconnect several other types of networks such as LANs, MANs, etc. Computers connected to a WAN are often connected through public networks such as telephone system. The largest WAN in existence is the Internet. For connecting two computers together in a wide area network, we need telephone lines and satellites. Look at this picture. Here, one person wants to send one message to the other person. So, the message from the sender's computer will reach his telephone tower, then to the satellite. Then satellite forwards that message to receiver's telephone tower and then to his computer. So, if we want to send a message using a wide area network, we need a telephone line and a satellite. Personal Area Network or PAN. The personal area networks are small networks used to establish communication between computer, a cell phone or other handheld devices within a range of 10 meters using wired USB connectivity or wireless system like Bluetooth or infrared. Difference between LAN and WAN. LAN. The computers that are connected together using LAN network is within few kilometers. Error rate is very low and the complete ownership by a single organization itself. The speed is between 10 to 100 Mbps. Whereas in wide area network, the computers are span across countries and high error rate as compared to LAN, MAN, PAN. It's run by multiple organizations and the speed is between 1 to 2 Mbps. Write these questions and answers in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you.